I'm looking for pearls. I can't seem to find any anywhere. I wonder if anybody could give me a hint, maybe point me in the right direction. Here's the starfish. Be great if he could give me a message. Well, he's not saying anything right now, but that doesn't mean we can't set it up so that he does. In fact, it's pretty easy to do using our UME toolkit. With the starfish selected, I'm going to go over to the inspector, and at the very bottom, I'm going to click Add Component. UI, I typed in UI earlier, so there's my UI trigger right there. The type I'm going to choose is message. UI triggers can be used for all kinds of different things. Messages is one that's kind of fun to play around with. I have to set my activation tag. That means what has to touch the starfish in order to set off this trigger? Well, it's the player, my submarine. When my submarine comes into contact with the starfish, it's going to set off this message. Now I need to type in the message itself. Just put in a little message that says the pearls over there. And duration, how long do I want this on the screen? Well, let's put it down. Make it a little bit higher. And because this is a trigger, I need to make sure that my collider is set to is trigger. So the collider will show when we've made contact, and it will set off the trigger. So let's try it out. Hey, the pearl's over there. Sure enough, there it is. Awesome work.